How to save a Word document as a PNG file. A JPEG or a PNG file is a photo file or an image file. This is really handy if you want to upload a Word document into a learning management system such as Dojo or Seesaw, and you think parents won't have access to Word online. If you upload a photo or image instead of the Word document, this makes it easier for parents to be able to see the document and print it for their students to work on. If you open up the document you want to save, if you go to File and go to Save a Copy and click on the little arrow next to Word document, you'll see all the different file types that Word documents can be saved as. Unfortunately, Word does not offer the option for files to be saved as images, i.e. JPEGs or PNG files. One option might be to save it as a PDF, as PDFs are parent-friendly as well. However, we're going to go out of Save a Copy and instead go to Print. In order to do this next step, you need to have OneNote installed on your computer. In Print, I'm going to go into Printers and make sure I've selected OneNote for Windows 10 or OneNote Desktop. I'm going to then press Print. Nothing will actually happen in your Word document, but you'll notice that OneNote is now flashing orange. I've opened up OneNote and it's now asking me where I want to save this file. So I'm going to save it in the current page. And you'll see my Word document has come in and it's been printed as an image. This is great because now I can save this as an image. So I'm going to right click on that image and click Save As. And then I'm going to name my file. You'll notice that it only gives you the option to save it as a PNG file. This is fine because this file type is a high quality image file. So let's click on Save. I've now got my class Dojo open and I'm going to click on Photo or Video. I'm going to go and find where I saved that file and I'm going to simply drag and drop it in and upload file. And then I can click on Post. This will save as a much easier picture for parents and students to view instead of trying to take a picture of a worksheet on your phone. You can do the same thing in Seesaw. If I want to add to the journal, I can click on Add, add an attachment, upload, and drag and drop that file in. And now again I've got an image that students can easily work on and I can send out to my students. You can see here it's opened it up as an image, and as a parent I could then save this and print it or easily view it on my phone. There it is, saved as a JPEG that a parent's downloaded.